Solve how to fix origin crash issue on Windows. 1. Clear the origin cache. 1.1 Go to %program data %. Delete all items in origin while keep the local content folder. 1.2 Go to %. Then delete the origin folder. 1.3 Go back to updated folder. Delete the origin. Folder in the local folder. Start your Windows now. 2. Run Origin as administrator. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Run Windows compatibility troubleshooter. 5. Perform a Windows update. 6. Add Origin as an exception to your third-party antivirus application. 7. Perform a clean